Alright guys, on this Supra right here, we're gonna take out this rack and pinion down here. We're gonna take it out because of this problem right there. It's cracked. It's on 2 pieces. So we're gonna take out the outer tie rod first on both sides, and then disconnect this harness, and then there's 2 bolts on the left and then 2 bolts on the right. Then this whole thing will come down. Before it comes down, this intermediate shaft right here going to the steering column, you have to put a mark and take out that bolt right there so that this whole steering will come down. Alright, so we put a floor jack down here so that this bolt joint will stop spinning when we take out that nut. Alright, so taking out that intermediate shaft bolt right there, you can come to the above the frame, and then you can see right there. Perfect. That's number 11 socket that you need to take that out. Alright, that's out. Perfect. Good job, bro. If you're trying to put the original one back, make sure to put the marks so that it lines up together. Yeah, bro. There are 14 sockets on those 4 main bolts. Alright, so taking out the steering gear, we had to lock this steering wheel so they won't spin on us. So just gonna put a seat belt over, lock it. There you go. Alright guys, so it was off camera when we trying to take it out. This piece right here, it has to detach from that yoke right there. So I just use a rod and keep it tapping it right here with the hammer, and then with the shock of the rod, it would slowly drop this thing down. So make sure all the screws, all the nut is out, so that the weight of this thing will drop down. And then there's one more bracket that needs to come out right here. Better to take out that bolt, and this whole thing will come down. Alright, so we're gonna have to take out this one and take out that one and put it on the new one, because the new one only came with the inner tie rod.